So let's just start with the tangent to a circle. So what is a tangent to the circle? Since from the very first part we know that in the introduction, we know that a tangent to a circle is actually a line that intersects the circle at only one point, or at exactly only one point. Then that particular line is called as the tangent to a circle. So let us suppose if I'm just performing an activity over here, that I have a circular wire and a straight wire, and I'm just rotating the straight wire with respect to only one point on the circle. So let us suppose if I'm just talking about the activity and I have taken this circular wire and I do have this straight wire. Let us suppose if I'm just taking this wire, and at this particular point which is over here, I'm just rotating this circular wire in this manner. So if I have just rotated this particular wire as this straight wire, so this straight wire is nothing but of this form. And if I have again rotated this wire, so this would be nothing but of this formation. Now if I'll rotate it again, so this would be of this formation. If I'll rotate it again, this would be of this formation, this formation, this formation, and so goes on. So it means that whenever I'm just rotating this straight wire with respect to this particular point, then they can occur in such a manner. But here we can see that if I'm just talking about one straight line which is exactly touching this circle at only one point, then that line is nothing but this yellow line, and hence it shows that from this activity it shows that there is only one tangent at a point of a circle. So since we have rotated this particular straight line at this particular point in this manner, but we get only one such a straight line which is actually touching the circle at only this point, or we can say at exactly one point, and this line is nothing but called as the tangent. So from this activity we have concluded that there is only one tangent at a point of the circle. So for that particular point there is only one tangent, and that tangent is nothing but this yellow line. So let us suppose if I'm just taking this figure again, and again I can say about a secant, or a relationship in between a secant and a tangent, that tangent is actually a special case of secant. How we can say this? Because we know that secant is actually a line that intersects the circle at two common points, but a tangent is the one that actually intersects the circle at only one point. So we can say this fact that tangent is a special case of secant when the two endpoints of its corresponding chords coincide with each other. So this is a very special case. Always remember that tangent is a special case of secant. Now let us suppose if I am again just concentrating on my tangent. So as you can see, if for this circle, if I'm just talking about this particular point, then I can draw this tangent. So this is actually the point of this point is actually nothing but called as the point of contact. This is called as the point of contact, where the tangent is actually touching this particular circle at this point, at this one point. So this is all about the point of contact of a tangent. So we always call this point of intersection as nothing but point of contact. So this is all about the tangent to a circle.